Hi there, students. Swarthy, swarthy. Notice the pronunciation, swarthy, with that or sound. Okay, this talks about a person's skin. A person can have a swarthy complexion. It means that their skin is dark and tanned. It doesn't mean black. It's not to refer to a Negro, but for example, people from the south of Europe, Mediterranean people, normally have a swarthy complexion. Or maybe you could have a swarthy face because you're always out in the sun. Okay, and this is swarthy. It means having a dark hue, a dark or a slightly dark skin, particularly this collocation, a swarthy complexion. Yeah, or you just call somebody swarthy. It means they have a very dark complexion. So, for example, certainly in Spain, gypsies have this swarthy complexion. Yeah, maybe this olive green, swarthy, dark complexion. A swarthy man with gleaming teeth, dark skin, dusky, very tanned as well. Okay, notice this word swarthy is not negative, although I've noticed some people use this word in a negative way. Dusky, with a dark complexion. Yeah, she had this beautiful swarthy skin and black hair. Okay, so swarthy, dark skinned, tawny, that's a good word. Yeah, darker skinned than white, but maybe lighter skinned than tawny. I like that. Okay, so swarthy, dark skinned. As to formality, this word sounds a bit literary, but I think I'm going to give it a 5.5 in formality and say you can use it anywhere. I think it sounds very good. It is used to describe a person. So in descriptions of people, I think this is a great word for describing people, describing the visual appearance. But notice swarthy, it talks about the skin, dark skinned. And that's how I would use it. As to origin, okay, it comes from the Middle English word swart, which comes from Proto-Germanic swart, meaning black, from Proto-Germanic swartaz. Yeah, okay. I hear this German word Schwarz, yeah, meaning black, and from Proto-Indo-European swerd, meaning black or dark. Okay, so swarthy, dark-skinned. Yeah, he had this beautiful swarthy complexion. She was a swarthy maiden with jet black hair. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Swarthy.